Throughout history, there have been moments that have reshaped our world, changing the course of civilizations and leaving an indelible mark on humanity. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most pivotal moments in history that have truly changed the world forever. Kicking off our list is the Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969. This incredible achievement not only fulfilled humanity's dream of reaching the moon, but also inspired generations to push the boundaries of exploration. Can you imagine the courage it took for Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin to step onto the lunar surface? It's a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Next up, the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. This symbolic event marked the end of the Cold War and the beginning of a new era of freedom and unity for millions. The sight of East and West Berliners coming together, tearing down barriers, is a powerful reminder of the strength of the human spirit and our innate desire for connection. Moving further back in time, we have the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776. This document laid the foundation for democracy and inspired revolutions across the globe. The principles outlined in the Declaration of Independence continue to resonate today, reminding us of the importance of liberty, equality, and justice for all. And let's not forget the invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century. This innovation revolutionized communication, making knowledge accessible to the masses and fueling the Renaissance. Before the printing press, books were rare and expensive. Thanks to Gutenberg's invention, information became more democratized, empowering individuals and sparking intellectual revolutions. Last but certainly not least, we have the discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928. This breakthrough in medicine revolutionized healthcare, saving countless lives and paving the way for modern antibiotics. Penicillin's discovery was a game-changer, turning once deadly infections into treatable conditions. It's a reminder of the incredible impact that scientific advancements can have on our lives, from space exploration to political revolutions, from technological innovations to medical breakthroughs. These historical moments have shaped our world in profound ways, reminding us of the power of human potential.